what's up? Kumusta mga kuys? Kumusta buhay-buhay? Today is Sunday, panibagong araw, panibagong blessing syempre. And yan, busy tayo, nagpapalit tayo ng mattress kasi si baby lagi nasingit sa amin tuwing madaling araw, kaya pinalakayan namin yung kama. So yeah, kung wala kang ginagawa, baka pwede mo muna akong samahan. Plak lang tayo mabilis, let's go!
Secrets whispered, bulletproof. We build worlds out of steel. Now they're ruins of something we feel. It's so nice to get away, if just for a moment, if just for a day. We can drive past the signs, over the borders of our mind.
Okay guys, tapos tayo mag-plank ngayong araw. Yun ang naman focus ng video ko, alam na yan. And kung 124 days na nga pala natin today, so tuloy-tuloy lang tayo para ma-achieve natin yung 365 days na planking. And balik ako na yung asawa ko para mapalitan na yung kama and hindi na masikipan kay baby. And kung umabot kayo dito, maraming salamat. Maraming salamat lagi sa supporta nyo. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or maybe follow. Yun, salamat. So para guys, hanggang dito na lang. Ingat kayo palagi. Kita-kita tayo bukas. Peace out.